remember Chinua Achebe. Today we remember things fall apart. I often imagine a scene where Onoka, the Ogbuoja, would play for his son, Okonkwo, the wrestler and great man. Odugwa kataka yana go baramba, himalugo mo difa, difa, himalugo mo difa. Again, I imagine that scene where Okonkwo hung himself, the scene where he committed suicide. The Ogbuoja would have played a dirge instead, a sad tune. The same instrument, two different sounds, two different moods. From this experience I've shared with you, you can observe that the Oja calls a great man twice. One in his lifetime, the other time when he must have departed to the land of the dead. And if this man fails to come back, then he is really dead. And you know, Okonkwo's death was not a natural one.